Not going to waste time on this video. October is shaping up to be a huge month for small caps, and I've narrowed it down to my top 3 setups you need to be watching right now. If you want to see every single entry and exit I take in real time, not just these public videos, all of that is posted inside the Discord. The link is down in the description. So let's get straight to the video. First stock on this list is ticker symbol ABP. I've been getting tons of DMs about this setup. A lot of people saw the recent reverse split news and want to know if this means the stock is about to move. So let's break it down. We've been trading inside this purple zone between roughly 18 to 22 cents for months. This is a long-term support base. Every time price dips into the zone, it finds buyers. Every time it spikes, it comes down and retests this exact area. That's a classic accumulation zone. If you're a pattern trader, this is the kind of area you mark on your chart and watch for a change in volume or news to push it out of that range. Now, about the reverse split news. A reverse split is when a company reduces the number of shares outstanding by consolidating them into a fewer, more expensive shares. For an example, a 1-for-10 reverse split means every 10 shares you own becomes 1 share, and the stock price multiplies by 10. Companies usually do this to gain compliance with exchange listing requirements for NASDAQ. That's typically keeping the bid price above $1 for a certain period of time. ABP just announced that reverse split, and I've had a lot of messages asking if this automatically makes the stock go up. It doesn't. A reverse split by itself doesn't change the company's fundamentals or market cap. It simply changes the share count and the per share price. So here's the key details most people miss. After receiving a deficiency notice from NASDAQ for trading under $1 for way too long, a company is usually given 180 days to regain compliance. If they still can't, they can file for an extension or appeal, which can add another 180 days. So right now, ABP has over a month to appeal and implement this reverse split to stay on the exchange. That's why you're seeing this news. It's part of their compliance plan. Price was sitting right on the top of that support zone again, which is this 21-cent level. If the reverse split plus a compliance plan brings new attention or volume, this could be the springboard for a bounce in my opinion. Next on the watch list is ticker symbol ITP. For months, this stock has been dead flat in the 20-cent range. Then in September, we got a burst of volume and price started trending inside this upward channel between roughly 25 to 35 cents. This is what a control move looks like. It's a channel with higher highs and higher lows. It's not random. It's structured. Now here's the hard truth. I see so many people blowing up accounts because they're trying to day trade this stuff with no plan. They're buying at the top of a spike and selling at the bottom of a pullback. Penny stocks like this are not meant to be chased intraday unless you're an extremely skilled scalper. For most people, the better place to identify when the stock is building a base or a channel, pick your levels and swing trade it. Swing means you buy at support or on a confirmed breakout and you give the trade time to work. You're not reacting to every single move like the typical day trader. If you look at ITP, support is sitting around this 25-cent level. The top of the channel is around 34 to 35 cents. If you're going to trade this, you don't jump in at 34 cents hoping it'll go to 50 cents tomorrow. You position closer to support or on a breakout above the channel with volume. You have your stop defined. Maybe just under 25 cents, who knows if you're long. That's how you keep your risk small and your potential reward larger. Penny stocks can be great for quick percentage gains, but only if you treat them like a plan-based trade, not a gamble. I tell everyone all the time, stop day trading every spike without a plan. Start identifying real setups, channels, wedges, base, whatever you like, and swing them only if they're worth swinging. That's how you keep your account alive and actually grow it over time. Next on the watch list is ticker symbol LAC. This week, the US government announced it's taking roughly a 5% equity stake in LAC. That's not retail chatter, that's a sovereign level investor stepping in. Catalysts like this are exactly what you want to see when a technical setup is already primed. It adds conviction to the breakout and brings in new eyes, new volume, and fresh buying power. That's why we're now sitting at 9+ instead of drifting sideways at $7. Fast forward to October 3rd, price breaks above that descending trend line with a monster green candle and a volume spike. This is the confirmation we wait for. If you're watching this live, your ideal entry was right above $7 as volume came in. Now we're at $9, more than a 25% move from the base. I've been calling for $10 for a while now, and if you can see, we're almost there. After a breakout like that, you expect a pause. Price is now consolidating in a tight purple box between 870 and 910. This is healthy in my opinion. It lets new buyers come in and old holders take take profits when tanking the stock. For us, this is a launchpad zone. A clean breakout above 910 and 920 on strong volume could send this straight through $10 and above. And if you're planning on trading this, don't chase, wait for the break above 920 with volume. Make sure you have your personal risk strategy in place, your stop loss, etc. And risk to reward here is excellent because your downside is defined and the upside is a measured move to 1050. And remember, the US government now on the shareholder list, the fundamental story is stronger than ever. I'm personally swinging this into the month of October, so once again, keep an eye on these 3 stocks. If you got value from this video, do me a favor, let's hit 100 likes on this one. It helps push the channel out to more traders like you guys. And if you haven't already, subscribe so you don't miss the next setup and join the Discord. The link's in the description. If you want real entries and exits, all of my trades are over there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.